Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Weebly website builder. To begin, navigate to the Weebly platform and sign up for an account. Once logged in, you will choose a theme that best suits your vision. Weebly provides hundreds of professionally designed templates, offering a strong foundation for any website. You can then start adding pages and basic content blocks to lay out your site's structure, making the initial setup straightforward and intuitive. Once your basic structure is in place, it is time to populate your site with engaging content. Weebly's intuitive editor allows you to simply drag and drop various elements, including text boxes, image galleries, and video players, directly onto your pages. Each element can be customized with a few clicks, letting you adjust colors, fonts, and layouts. You can also use sections to group related content, ensuring a clean and organized presentation for your visitors. Weebly is not just for informational sites. It also offers robust e-commerce capabilities. You can easily set up an online store, add product listings, and integrate secure payment options for seamless transactions. Beyond selling, Weebly provides tools to boost your site's visibility, such as search engine optimization features and email marketing integrations. Connecting a custom domain name, like yourbusiness.com, further enhances your brand's professionalism and credibility. After building and refining your website, the final step is to publish it. Before going live, take a moment to review every page and ensure all links and content are perfect. Once published, your work is not entirely done. Regular maintenance is key. Keep your content fresh and relevant, and monitor your site's performance using Weebly's integrated analytics. These insights will help you understand your audience and make informed decisions for continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.